Come on in, come on in, come on in. Hey guys, my name is Rosalind from Rosalind Journey Through Crafting. What's up guys? Guys, I have a treat for you today. I went shopping and I went scouting products under $5 that we can use in our balloon garland, our balloon arches, our different projects. I go around and looking for nice little things and stuff that I can do projects with. And guys, I found the most fabulous pieces. So let's get started here, guys. Just check this out. Do you see this baby girl here? Do you know what I can do with this baby girl? Okay, so I'm going to tell you the name of it because I have one here. This is how it comes. It comes in a little box here. It's called Easter Tree and Heart, and it's from Primark. It was, I believe it was $16, and they have this baby here now, guys, for $5. I tell you, everything I'm going to show you on this table right here is under $5. Check this baby out. So this is how she comes, guys. And when I tell you I'm going to use this baby girl here, I'm going to use her because she is fabulous. So she comes in this box, right, guys? And look at the little piece of, just wait. The burlap on the bottom of this. Now, you know, the burlap itself can be $5. You guys know. If you are crafters, you know. Check this out. Isn't this fabulous? It's 2 pieces of burlap. Check this out. Oh, fabulous, guys. Check it out. And guess what else coming in? And they give you these. They give you these. This is the Easter tree. So they give you the carrots. Guys, look how beautiful these carrots are. Now, you know this is fabulous. You know it's fabulous. First of all, if you go to any store to get these, I'm not talking about any carrots. I'm talking about these, how thick they are. You're going to pay $5 alone for that. And they give you 12 of these babies in here. 12 of these babies. And guys, you know what? This is the week. So this right here is $5. But guess what? Go get it. And if you don't use it for no other thing but for Easter, you can have it for Easter next year. But it's fabulous. Now, say for instance, you do not want to put your carrots on it. You don't have to. You don't have to. You can use this in so many different projects just to sit on your table. You can put Christmas lights on here. You can put Christmas bulbs hanging from here. You can put hearts hanging from here. This baby right here was worth every bit of $5. Now, guys, if you follow me on YouTube, you already know I do balloon arches. This right here is going to fit into it. Going to fit. When I tell you it's going to fit and what I have going on. So all you do is you pull them out, you stretch them to what you want, right? However you want it. You want them to go forward. Isn't this cool? It goes forward. So guys, I'm just going to leave this one alone because this right here will be the focus, and I don't want it to be the focus because I have a couple of more things that I want you guys to see and go get. Like I said, this came from Primark. How you pronounce this? Primark. And everybody know Primark is one of those new stores. I ain't going to tell you what else I bought there, but we're going to leave that one alone. But when I say they got some serious sweatsuits over there, guys, you need to go check them out. Now, I'm going to show you. Isn't this cute? This is one of those things where they can go with any project that you're making, go with any event that you're having. You can put cupcakes up here, right? You can just put about anything up here. And so I dressed it up like this here. Now, how fabulous is that? How fabulous is that? Like I said, if you're doing cupcakes, you're doing treats, you can use this any project. And it was $5. Check this out. Check this out. Now you guys better hit the targets. Look at that. Look at that there. Now see, what I can do is double my plate. Just like that. What you guys think of that? Okay, so you don't like that? That's too much? That's okay. Check that one out. This is fabulous. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's see what else we got. Now, guys, you're going to fall out for this one. I literally fell out in the store. Now, check this out. These little babies here. Look at these here. Isn't these fabulous? Look, they just sit, they got these little slimpy legs, but these legs are like really thin, but this piece here is what's heavy and what's keeping them doing whatever they're doing. Check that out. And he got his little carrot right there, but look at this one here. Look at here, look at here, look at here. Isn't that cute? And I have one more. Look at this. They're cute. You guys will not believe how much each one of these guys was $1. $1. Now these guys do not, you don't have to put these guys away. These guys can sit up on your counter and chill year round. Now that's if you want them to, right? Just check them out. Hey, I'm just chilling. Yeah. Look, they're heavy back. They have this round surface here. Like I said, they can sit and chill all day if you want them to. Check that out. Check him out. Ain't he cute? Okay, so we got that going on. Look what else. Like I said, each one of those was $1. Now check this one here out. Ain't this cute? Check him out. Now you can do so much with him. You can put an incense in there. You know those little incense that they sell can go in there. You can put some oils in there, some ellipticus in there, or bang, you can have him chilling. He can sit. He can use that as a seat. I got another one for you. I got one better. And we're gonna let him chill right here. I got one better for you. Boom. Check this here out. Now they had this one here, this rabbit ears. I don't know if it's supposed to be a bowl, a toilet seat. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but what I can tell you is this only come in one size. And look at that. Now it was $1. The original price would be $3. Now, would I have spent $3 on this? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. This one here is $3.50. Would I have spent $3.50 on this? I don't think so. I know I wouldn't have. Maybe you would have. I want to go back to. Let me get them out there. I want to go back to stand here. This stand, you can put your jewelry on there. You can put your perfume on there. Oh, you say perfume? I got you. Got quite a few perfume bottles, guys. Just check it out. One there. One there. Now look how fabulous. You guys got a lot of expensive little bottles. I'm looking for something. Look at that. Look at that, yeah. Once again, we don't have to use this for cupcakes. We can use this for our perfume. That's why I said this came in very handy. And it's very sturdy. And once again, you can pick this up right now at Target. Quite a few things I purchased. Like I said, I'm scouting because I need to make content for my YouTube channel. So I'm always out there scouting, trying to find something to use. I have something else. Okay. So I bought this tool here, the carving knife. And the reason why I bought this is I'm going to show you why. So you're going to have to give me 1 minute because it's pretty heavy. I was gifted this by a gentleman on my way home from work about 6 months ago. The plan is, so you guys are going to have to definitely come back. This right here is what I want to chisel. So I want to take all of this brown wood off this tree bark, and I want to take all of it off, and then I want to shellac it, and I want to use it for my plants to sit in. But isn't this cool? These here I bought from Amazon. So guys, check this out. Now these pieces here, you guys are going to have to really stick with me on this one here, because this one here is going to be a Mother's Day gift. We all know Mother's Day around the corner, and this one here is that plastic that they use. Put some paint. Let me see if I can get on the back of it, and I'm going to put a saying on it from my my Cricut machine, guys. So you're going to have to stay tuned for that. It's a clear, it's a clear plastic. Here it is. So what we do is we take that off on both sides, and it's clear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint one side, maybe a really light color, maybe a yellow on back of this with some yellow lettering. Purchased this from Amazon. It actually comes in 4 pieces. I have a smaller piece in the room because I'm getting ready to do a project with that one. So yeah, guys, if you're thinking about something to do for Mother's Day, get on board because this would be a perfect gift. This is something that just came in the mail today. And it's called a balloon sizer. That's what it's called. It comes with instructions. But guys, this one here has 12 holes. And as you know, I do balloon arches and columns and all of that. This comes from a 2.5, 2.5, 3.5, and all the way up to 10 inches. This is something that I'm very interested in. No shade on Dollar Tree because you guys know I love Dollar Tree. I'm always in Dollar Tree, buying products all the time. But guys, this is not to be used when you're at an event and you have 2 hours to fill hundreds of balloons. This right here is not going to work for you. I'm telling you. While you're home and you practicing and all of that stuff there, yeah, this will work for you. But when you at an event, I have the hardest time trying to tape it down. As you can see, it's very flimsy. Even when you put it on the end. So you need somebody to hold it at the end. You need somebody to hold it while you're trying to size the balloon and everything else. This is good, but not for an event, guys. But this baby here, it collapses. You can take it apart, which is cool. As you can see here, it comes apart. You can carry it along. You can take it with you, and it's stable, guys. It really is. And I'm going to show you that. This machine here. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys. I love it. I showed you just in another project. But guys, this can be used with the plug or without the plug. Okay. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to show you guys how we can get this 3-inch balloon, right? It switches off on the back. So this is a 5-inch balloon. So let's do that. So what I do is I blow it and I squeeze some of the air out of it. Right, since I'm trying to get to a 3-inch, a little bit more. I see that? Do you see that? Just like this. I don't need another extra hand. I don't need nobody helping me. Just like this. So this is one of the reasons why I bought this. It collapsed. I could put it in my suitcase. I could take it with me and get there and put it together. Quick and easy, no problem. Okay. So, I don't know if you guys know, but I cut my hair and my daughter just lines it up around the end, right? So sometimes my daughter is not here and there's nobody to cut around the back of my hair. So I decided to try something new. Now this one here, guys, is a little bit more than $5. But hopefully it works. I'm not going to do too much hooking up because I can't from where I'm standing at. But I can cut my own here. It's a self-fine 3-way mirror. Check that out. Yes, ma'am. Check that out. So you know what that means? I can cut my own here. Yes, ma'am. So let's see. As you can see, I just opened it, brand new. And this can be used, guys, for you doing your braids, right? You braiding your own hair. This would be perfect because you can see it from 3 different angles, right? 3 different angles. The side, this side, and the back side when I'm cutting my hair. So I decided to get this just in case my daughter's not here to help me cut my hair. I am ready. Look at that. Just look at that. Technically, it hangs from either your mirror in your bathroom. You can hang it from behind your cabinet. I mean, your doors. Look at that. So, technically, this could be used to to do your makeup. And God knows I need to do and see what I'm doing, because I'm always walking out the door with my eyeliner up here and my eyeshadow and going all kind of ways. So this right here should be perfect for me. Yeah, I'm gonna love it. It comes with this little mirror here also. But look at there, guys. Isn't that cool? It comes with the hanging piece on the back. So I'm gonna flip this over so I can show you guys. It comes with So this is how it hangs. You hang it from wherever you want to hang it, guys. Wow. And it goes up pretty tall. So you can hang it on your mount this on your door in your bathroom. This is cool. From all angles. They can't charge. Oh, that's cool. So this one here, especially if you're doing your little makeup, is a suction. So you could just, put that there. Use your suctional, and cool. That is cool, guys. So tell me what you think of the products that I brought you today. Guys, my name is Robin from Robin's Journey to Craft, and you know you are welcome to come back anytime you want.
Something else beside. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I